everybody, this is Mary Beth with stampinwithmb.com, and today I am going to show you what the heck paper pumpkin is. Voila! This is a one-stop shop for all you need to be creative. It is a box that contains everything pre-cut and ready to assemble, and something that will help you overcome your fear of being creative. It's just one of the many ways that Stampin' Up! Tries to make it easy for you to become a stamper. So anyway, come along for the ride and I will show you what Paper Pumpkin is all about and how you can acquire it. I posted a little while ago on my blog, oh, you should go out and buy Paper Pumpkin. Well, what the heck is it? Paper Pumpkin is a unique product offering by Stampin' Up! And it's an all-in-one kit. Everything that is in this kit is absolutely everything that you need to create cards and little projects. So when you get your Paper Pumpkin, once you subscribe or you buy a one-by-one, we'll cover that at the end of the video, you once a month are going to get a box that looks just like this. It will come with a USPS label on the back and it will be sealed. So no other wrapping, but it comes like this. When we open it up, you'll see, well, this one's got a little brochure on what we're gonna do with this kit. And this is one for a little card that you would just carry with you and give out as a random act of kindness. When we get the kit though, at the top, on top of this lovely tissue, which I've already crumpled up, you always get a stamp spot, and this contains ink. And the color that the June kit had was Coastal Cabana. And then you get a stamp set. On the inside, you will get a lovely little blister pack that has, let me see if I can get this out of here. Little blister pack with a kit that has all sorts of goodies in there. So I've already opened one up, and let me show you what all the goodies look like inside. On the top, you know you're going to have your ink and you will have your stamp set. So we already showed you that. Put that to the side. At the bottom of the blister pack, once you open that, you will find your instructions, and it will show you exactly how to create the 4 cards that come in this particular kit. We're going to show you all the items that put this together live. On the inside, you will have a set of instructions on how to apply all the items, how to stamp your sentiment, how to add any embellishments, and then the final step of putting it in your little travel envelope. And on the back, once again, it shows you what these cards should look like and everything that is included. So in this kit, to start, we got 16 little cards, and they're already scored, so they're very easy to fold. We got the matching envelopes. Old Olive, that's the color that these envelopes are in, and this is your Coastal Cabana. The items to apply to the card, you've got your palm trees that these pop out and you can glue on. You have tags to stamp your sentiments and then glue on, and this is about the size of them. In this particular kit, they came in white and a wood grain color that matches the envelopes. Then elements that you can stick on your cards. This is vellum, and vellum is sort of like wax paper, kind of transparent, but 2 different kinds. We had a little circle, and then we had something that looked like a little sea frond element. I didn't pop those out. We had some very sparkly, which is very difficult to see on camera, but these are sparkly starfish and sand dollars. We had 2 sheets of bronze, and these are other items. You know, once again, you just stick them on. Well, how the heck do I stick them on? I don't have anything to do that. In the kit comes glue dots, and you just peel off the back of one of these and lift up the little gluey 2-sided sticky part, and you stick it on your element, stick it on the card, and voila, you are making a card. And the last thing that you got was some baker's twine. And this you'll cut off, about the amount that they tell you, maybe 12 inches or 16 inches, wrap it around your card, make a bow, and there you go. Those are the elements, typical elements that arrive in every single kit. Let's take a quick peek at how these cards came together. Here's my travel envelope. You are amazing. My day is better because of you. Thank you, it means so much. Just a little smile. 4 cards made in a very short period of time. I'm going to put my business card inside of each one of these envelopes, put all the cards in my little travel envelope, and I will be off and running. I wanted to show you some of the kits from years past, just so you can see the variety of things that you can get. This was May of 2018 in a manly man kind of kit geared for Father's Day. So you'll notice they always come out the month before the holiday so that you can have things prepared in advance. This was one of my favorites, just a great guy's card. In June, they came out with a birthday card, and what was nice about this is this kit coordinated with some of the elements in that year's current catalog. For Halloween, they came out with treat bags. So little kids, people who come to your door, maybe a little party. Once again, little kit to create treat bags. Another one of my favorites, this was November, and they were actually little stockings where you could create a tag with a little teeny tiny clothespin. And I actually used these last year as a gift to the hostess where I spent Christmas dinner, and created the tags, and they put the kit together and put candy canes and some candy in there and put it on every place setting for the dinner that I attended. Another Christmas, this was 2018's kit, and this came out in November. When I found, I make custom cards every year, and if I ran out and didn't have enough, I went to my paper pumpkin and was able to quickly put together some of the spare cards for the ones that I was missing. Nice, look at the matching envelopes. You have two different kinds of cards, different sentiments. It was really a cute card set. In January, once again, we had some treat little boxes, and how cute. These coordinated also with the current catalog. With the kangaroo and the fish, you could get extra stuff if you wanted to be creative and expand beyond the treat boxes. In February, it was like, let's look forward to some spring, but this was all a succulent. And then the last kit that came out was the very first one that I showed you. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you learned a lot about Paper Pumpkin and that you enjoyed seeing past kits. Even more, I hope you're excited about becoming a Paper Pumpkin subscriber. You are creative. There's that little piece in you that you know that you would like to get going and doing something with your fingers and making something creative, something you can send, something that you can give away. I know you can do it. So feel free to visit my website and hit the shop now to order Paper Pumpkin. Also, if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to reach out to me on my Stampin' with MB Facebook page or in the Contact Me link on my blog. I'd be more than happy to answer any of your questions and help you make the decision that will be right for you in purchasing something simple and to get you going with stamping. How do I order Paper Pumpkin? First of all, go to my website at www.stampinwithmb.com. On the main page of my website, you'll see a blue box to the left. The bottommost Shop Now URL will take you directly to my Paper Pumpkin store. You'll be prompted to open an account and then make your selection for what you would like to purchase in Paper Pumpkin. Please note, the very first kit you receive will also include a free D-block, and that is what you're going to put your stamps on to create simple and easy projects. There are 2 ways to subscribe. You can subscribe monthly, and you can pay as you go, start, stop, cancel anytime you like. Or you can prepay for a 1 month, 3 month, 6 month with a plus dollar discount, or 12 months, which gets you your last month free. All kits must be ordered by the 10th of every month, and in 7 to 10 days, you could be off and running with your very first paper pumpkin kit.